With regards dyan sa dalawa yung clients mo na independent contractor ka, then isa yung corporate, medyo magkakaroon ka ng problem because sa digital nomad visa, you have to pick if you're either gonna do autonomo or employed, meaning self-employed or employed. So, ngayon, hindi mo mako-combine yan unless lahat sila independent contractor ka or lahat sila corporate ka. And, ayun, medyo magkakaroon ng complication dun sa case mo. So, I would suggest na either mag-switch ka as an independent contractor or to not declare yung isang corporate mo na client. So, that means yung independent contractor ka lang na clients or self-employed freelance na clients lang, yung ide-declare mo and dapat ma-meet mo pa rin yung minimum income requirement. I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching, Mami Kazi. Ciao!